how to buy XCN token to Uniswap version 2. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below, and you can enjoy the benefits. So as you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token on Uniswap version 2, click on markets here. So as you can see, we'll be able to find Uniswap version 2. Click on this pair. So after you click on it, wait a few seconds. So after that, click on trade on Uniswap version 2. So after you click on it, you will be able to redirect you to Uniswap page. So what you need to do here, I will just disconnect my wallet first. Sorry. So after that, click on connect. Now select your wallet. For that, I will use the MetaMask. So after that, click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to this Uniswap page, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, the USDT. So make sure that you have enough USDT on your MetaMask. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on Uniswap version 2. So this is how to buy XCN token on Uniswap version 2. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.